of February 2025. I'm so excited to be doing this every day. We started this thing from 1st of February till today. We have never kissed a stop loss. We have always hit take profit. The first day we started from Euro USD 95 pips. I'll never forget. It was an exciting trade called by Wisdom Mariko. We analyzed it and we saw reason to jump in. We got 95 pips. The second day it was early out of the money. I witnessed gold spiking to the upside, going to look for a new all-time high, and we seized the opportunity for gold. We took that trade. I can remember making 210 pips from that trade. Still on that same day, GBPUSD gave us a setup and we took that GBPUSD on a buy, and it went all the way to 80 pips. We took profits and it continued after we left the market. And after that one, we had the next trade on BTC USD. BTC USD gave us about 70 pips to the upside. To the upside, yes. Then we also had oil trade that did not really give us profits. It brought us down and brought us up again, and then we closed that position. Then we had also on Friday, after the NFP news, after we did several analysis, we saw oil dropping down and we drew Fibonacci levels: level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 1 was a fair value gap, level 2 was another fair value gap, level 3 was an order block. And from that order block, we envisaged that price is going to spring up to the upside after NFP on Friday. And that was exactly what happened. 15 minutes time frame, you can go and check. We had all the screenshots documented in our archives and on our trading logbook. We opened all our triggers on the order block and price pumped up from that order block. Oh my goodness, that Friday's trade after NFP was the highest profit I've ever made. All throughout the 7 days we spent doing this scalping and martingale, it was the highest profit ever. The market movement was not much, only 50 pips, but because we loaded a lot of trades right there. Reason we loaded that trade was because we have a swing low, protected swing low that was created by NFP low. And we say if price closed below that NFP low, then game over, we'll keep going down. But that was Friday. So we don't expect price to close below that NFP low again. So that was it. Our position took up. Our position took up, and what we had was profits. Ladies and gentlemen, on Sunday we came back on this same call and we're saying that, oh, gold is going to come down a little bit, take some lows, take some liquidity before gold continue going up. Quite okay, gold came back. Quite okay, it came back, but it didn't come back down to where we wanted. So a lot of us missed the entry. But one of my accounts where I already have an open position of gold, you see what we have. If you have not sold gold, you can sell now. We are now having the exact structure that we wanted. So we have entry from here down all the way to where we are right now. We have gone 54 pips on gold. Let me close one of the profits. 54 pips on gold. Done. 54 pips on gold. Done. I'm closing one of the profits. Done. Closing one of the profits shown at the same time. I'm opening 3 positions at the same time right now on gold. I'm in on my second account. Then on the first account, we have 54 pips. I'm closing. I close one of the positions. I open a new position, sell on gold right now. And also on a very big account I have right here of a lot of money in that account, I'm going to open a position, 1 standard lot, sell on gold right now. I'm opening it right now. So I'm going to show you a screenshot of that account once I'm in, so you see. I have a particular account here where the money is big. What is it? Where?
But we can't see your screen.
Where is it? Find it. I've seen it. Gold, I am at 29.04 sell on gold right now. I'm in that position right now, ladies and gentlemen, of $82, and we are going all the 0.07. That's where can you guys still hear me? Is anyone still hearing me? Is anyone still hearing me?
Yes,
We're hearing you,
hear
but your screen is off. We're hearing you, but your screen is off.
Yes, I can hear you. Mr. James, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. You are muted.
Okay, sorry. I was talking about the position we have. We have a. Sorry, please. I think I'm hearing myself. Check. 1 minute, please. Check. Okay, I think
I just joined. Are we buying or selling gold?
Yeah, we are selling gold. We are scalping gold for just 20, 30 pips, just a little bit of scalp, right?
Okay.
Smallest lot size, please, because the direction of gold is still bullish. So we are stubbornly taking the scalp because we see the structure say so. So right now I have this very big account here and I'm scalping gold to the downside. I saw on 1 minute time frame a momentum candle displacements to the downside, and it was very, very strong and huge. And I took advantage of that momentum candle to the downside. I looked at the Fibonacci expression of that momentum candle. I saw the pullback, or let me say the pullback, of course, went to 50% Fibonacci and touched 618. So that means we still have a very, very good situation to sell from that level. However, it is possible that we can go above 618 and give a drop-ins because I still see other block there and I also see fair value gap there. So it's possible that price could come here. I'll load another sell from there to the downside because I see a sign of an order block there and we'll be dropping the price down like this. If price doesn't come there, there is a fair value gap right below that other block that I draw. If you look at this place here, you see a fair value gap right there. So I'm going to take out my Fibonacci. I'm done with it. Just telling us that we have a good PDRA. So we are selling gold from that structure based off on that momentum candle to the downside. And if we see price go back to that other block again, we're going to load in another sell position, one full standard lot. If the price close above this structure, then we are gone. We are finished. We are done. We are not loading a new position. We will look for a way to close our trade in loss. The final bus stop for this sell position is 29.06. If we see price close above 29.06, 29.07, we are looking for a way to close our position in loss. But until then, every place here is a sell position. Price goes up, we load another sell. It goes up again, we load another sell. Because I'm using a big account, I don't want to keep loading too many sells. I want to wait to see if price could go as high as other block zone around 29.05. is the only place I want to load my second sell position. And if price close above, I'm looking for a way to close my trades in loss. But if price doesn't close above, if price comes down and close below, if price close below from here, I'm looking to take my profit at 29.01. 29.01 will be my take profits if price just comes down without going up. If price comes down without going up, I'll take my profit right here. But if price goes up first, I'll load another trade from here and I'll bring it down to 28.99 or 28.01, 28.01, somewhere around that level. So that is where we are, and that is what we are doing right now. And right now we are in a drawdown of 46, 60, thereabouts, less than $100 drawdown, and we are watching and waiting and seeing if we have opportunity to take another sell position on that gold. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the accounts earlier before now is an account in profits. Let me see. One of the accounts earlier before now, I think this account is an account in profits. I took out some profits already on this account, several of them, scalping them. I made at least $3 on that account, not $3 now. I made 3.8 on that account, scalping it to the downside. And we have some open position already. One is in profits and one is still in drawdown because I entered that one at the current level. The first one that was in profits, I was lucky to get that trade from this high level right there, this high level right there. Now we are having price going into fair value gap. I can take a 0.1 here on this cent account, 0.1, I beg your pardon, on where we are right now based on cents account. I can take it there. And if price comes down below the first position, I am going to close one of the position, the one in profits on the downside. But if price goes up to our other block right here, the reason for that downward push, then I am going to load another sell position. If price close above 29.06, I will stop entering a sell position. I'll look for a way to close my positions in loss. We are done because that is actually all-time high level, all-time high level. Price printed a momentum candle to the downside. This is why I am selling scalp. This is why I am scalp selling. So right now, what I notice price doing is trying to form a structure of something like a flag. It's trying to form a structure. It take out this low. It's trying to form structures right there. That's what I think price is trying to do. And it's very, very nice. I can still load in another position if we touch that yellow guy again. We're not touching the yellow guy. Ladies and gentlemen, the market just opened and it's giving me opportunity to close one on my position, the one in the downside. This is 15 minutes past the hour of 2. Market is trying to open. And I think market is going to open in our direction to the downside. And if not, we are going to look for a way to close our trade in small loss if price doesn't go our way. But we are seeing momentum to the downside on 1 minute time frame. And price is doing its thing. It gives us an opportunity, but we're not quick enough to close that position. I have 3 positions. One of these positions has to be closed. One of them has to be closed because market is yet to open. We are yet to see the original direction of price for the New York session. New York session starts in the next 15 minutes, and I'm thinking that price could go down because there are signs of price going down for the smaller time frame, and I want to be able to scalp that downward movement. Even if price is going to go up, I think with what we have seen on smaller time frame, price should go down. Price should go down before we go up. And if that is not the case, then I want to take out my trades in a small loss before we proceed. So I'm here just sitting and waiting, and this is looking like time for me to load another position on the sell. Oh, it's not anymore. It's not anymore. If you touch that yellow line, I'm loading another sell right there on the yellow line. And anything above the yellow zone, I'm going to be looking for closing my trade in a loss. Yeah. I mean, on the yellow, that yellow is the other block. If price close above the other block, then I'm no longer interested in selling gold. I'll be looking for closing my position in loss and waiting for a buy scenario. If price comes down from where we are, I'm going to be closing some of my positions which are already in profits. I'm not going to load another position right here. I'm going to go to the bigger account where I have one lot to load in another gold right there. On one lot, one full lot. So Yep, I'm in. And this is 17 minutes past 2, and the market is about to open. 17 minutes past 2, the market is about to open. I have another account here. I needed to load in some, yep. I needed to load in some more positions right here before that all-time high. Let's go. Done. So right here, I'm waiting to see what happens to this price on the order block. Is it going to close above the order block? If yes, I'm no longer selling. I'll look for stop loss. If no, then we are going down and take some profit downside. What do you think? Do you have any opinion? I'm seeing you are opening your mic. You want to say something, Ibrahim Buba, let me know. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the price is trying to go above that all-time high area. Where I'm seeing candle closing with momentum towards that zone, and it's a sign that price might shoot to the upside. It's really supposed to bounce that area very, very fast. And we are seeing price trying to go to the upside. Therefore, we'll look for a way to begin to exit our sell positions. So right now, we're not just going to chicken out like that. We want to see structure before we leave. We need to see structure before we leave. We are now officially going above all-time high. Continuation to the upside is confirmed, is established. We'll look for structure right now before we leave. What kind of structure do we look for? We want to see 5 minutes candle, give us a pin bar, then we are gone. We are gone. We are gone. We close the position. Because right now, we do not expect price to go above where we are right now. Price is currently forming a new all-time high. Therefore, we have no business selling. So we just wait, sit on our hands. We are currently now in a massive drawdown. And then we're just going to wait to see price give us a pin bar right here or a pullback on 1 minute time frame. We close our positions in loss and then we are done. But remember, we got 50 pips and we took some profits. But then that profit is just going to be equivalent to the losses we're about to take right now. So that's it. We got a nice bearish engulfing on 5 minutes time frame that price is about to close above the bearish engulfing. And if that happens, that's all. So we don't have a pullback. We have price refusing to give us a pullback. Right now, we have a crazy momentum to the upside. We are not going to be bothered. We are just going to wait for pullback to come. If there's no pullback, then we are in a serious trouble right here. But if we have a pullback, that's good. Then we are going to take our losses very short. Right now, we're not going to run away. We just wait. Market is about to open. What is happening right now is market about to open 230. That is exactly what we are seeing. And price is printing all-time high again. 2911.0.18 is the new all-time high. 2111.08 is the new all-time high. Let's see what price does to that price. 2911.08 is the new all-time high price just created. So we watch, we wait and see what happens here. Market's about to open in less than 9 minutes. What happens? Market about to open in less than 9 minutes, and we have price going to create a new all-time high. We have structure already created all the way looking like this and this. And if we change out of here just to soften the ground, we will look for GBP USD. We wanted to sell GBP USD. Where is it? GBP USD here. But before we go, let's see. We are still having signs of that pullback. If you go down to 1 hour, 1 minute time frame, you'll see we have a rejection at that level. It's not exciting. Once you come down to our yellow line, we'll close our trade because that is the retest area for it to go all the way up. So we are no longer interested in selling. We are looking for exit to get out of this position. 5 minutes time frame is also trying to give us a fair value gap to the upside. And if that happens, a tap into the fair value gap is our exit. We get out of the position. But if we have candle open, New York time frame, New York market open, spike to the downside, then we will still close all our position, but this time around in profit and not in losses. So we have price dropping down, New York session opening right now, respecting the all-time high 2911.0. Right now, we are having price retesting our place of interest. That is our yellow line. At this level, we'll begin to close some position in loss. The first one I'm going to close is this one in a small loss. Then I'm looking for a way to close this position again in loss. The second one I'm going to close right now is when the candle body close. This is fair value gap creating to the downside. So I'm still going to close some position in a small loss. That would be the second position close in a small loss. That will be which one will go, which one will go, which one will go, which one will go. This one should go. So the second position closed in a small loss. Then the third position is also going to close in a small loss. I'm going to close that third position in a small loss. I'm watching it. I'll leave the last position open to see what this price is going to do. I really didn't expect price to form a new all-time high, but vis-a-vis new markets open, I see this as a breakout, retest, and continuation to the upside. So I'm not going to stay. I'm going to stand for it. I don't really like it. I'm seeing candle spike on 15 minutes time frame, telling us that if we have a bearish move from that level, it could be interesting to go to the downside. But then look carefully and look smart. There is something like a bullish engulfing right here. Sweep or liquidity to the downside and something like a bullish engulfing right here. So you have to be very, very smart and active with that. So if we check, we are still on the yellow level. We can take out some of those positions in a small loss. So that's what we are going to do right now. I'm going to share my screen on the bigger laptop, bigger screen now. So I can take. So right now you see we have our setup violated, and price is now coming back to give us a reason to get out of our position. We have this other block is already violated, no longer important. And this time frame is also already violated. So we go back to 5 minute time frame. Then if we go back to 1 minute time frame, I'm seeing something like a BPR there. Is it fair value gap, fair value gap? Yes, 1, 2, 3, fair value gap, new all-time high, which is now this. We have a new all-time high on gold, a very brand new all-time high on gold right here. Yeah. Then we have a BPR 1, 2, 3 fair value gap all-time high, 1, 2, 3 fair value gap all-time high, and price is back again to our entry. So we are going to close our position. Please, everybody, you are now in profit. Close your position. Price did not go as we planned, so we now have profit. So we close our position in profit. Yeah, I ended all my trades in profits. So we have a profit. Yeah, look at it. I ended all my positions in profits. And profit we go. Take the profits. Take the profits. I'm going to leave only one position in profits. Only one position. I'm going to lock that position with, no, I'm not locking it yet. I want to see what 15 minutes candle will do there. So I'm going to drop down to, I have another account, the bigger account. Yep. Yeah. I have a profit of $300. I have a profit of $300. Let me share my screen right there. I caught a profit of $300 right there. And I'm closing my position right now. Start brokers. Let me stop sharing this screen to show you that screen. I have $300 done already on this other big account. Like I said earlier, start broadcasting. I wish this thing can just be faster than the way it is right now. Boom, $380, $400, guys. I'm closing this position right now. Charts, scalping. We are done with scalping. We have $350 $6, close position in profit. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it. We are done with scalping gold right now this afternoon. It was not really an easy one. The gold did not go the way we wanted, but we were able to beat the market to collect back our money, just deciding where we'll no longer trade from and deciding where we'll trade from. I still have one more position open in profits, but it's a cent account, so I don't care what happens to that account. So I'm just only going to watch it happen and set a stop loss at, no, I'm not going to set a stop loss at all-time high, which is $5. Yes. And set a take profit at neckline, which is $10. And we are good to go. No, I'll remove these take profits. I'll remove it. So I'll use it to post to show you guys the profit we made today. Ladies and gentlemen, we are done. We had a nice scalp today. It didn't really go exactly how we wanted, but it gave us something very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. We were able to get back our funds from the markets. The markets wind us, but it played out. It was able to play out because we had a reason why we entered. We had where we decided that we were not going to take any position anymore. First of all, we made 44, quite more than 44 pips, because from here we took that trade order block down to this place. So today we made on scalping from here down to this place, market open, of course, 61 pips thereabouts. Then also here we didn't take any other position again. When the price closed here, we didn't take any other position again. This was our only position. Then this other place was our second entry, which was 29.04. And from 29.04, those of you that enter at that level, you saw profits down to 29.02, and we all closed. The reason we had to close was because the price went against our protected high. So when you set a protected high and price close above the protected high, most of the time, the price will come back, use that place as support, and go back upward. And that is really dangerous to your account. So when price comes back to use that place as support, you are expected to close your trade in profits. You are not expected to hold that position. So for today, I can say we had two positions, which was this level here. This was what we had today. And that was from here, actually. Let me call it 50 pips. It depends on how you guys enter, but I had 50 pips. Then the stop loss area was anything above the all-time high. We were no longer taking trades for a sell. We're no longer scalping. So some people entered here. The price went up, created all-time high. We held the position. The price came down, puts them back in profit of how many pips? Put them back in profit of 20 pips. Then you close your position. So what we have just done now is a typical scalping. We're scalping from New York Open. The New York Open started from here, 2:30. I don't know why my time is not 2:30 Nigerian time anyway. So that was when the New York Open flow started from. So now we have all this push. This push broke structure. If this push breaks structure, we are still bearish. This is no longer scalping. This is now day trading. We are going to hold a position. What we have just done is silver bullets, trading the market open. We traded this one. We traded this side. It took us up, brought us back in profits. Now, if we have a structural break after the market's open right now, because it's over 2:30 now, if we have a structural break, if we enter a position, we're not going to scalp it anymore. We're going to hold the position for higher time frame M15, M30 play. So it's at this point that you have to give way for the professionals, because this requires a high level of risk management and professionalism. So I would really advise that you use copy trading to take over from here. So talking about copy trading, you can go to Naga, click on copy trade, and under active trade, this guy, I don't know what's wrong with this guy. I don't know whether he's sick. He didn't open any trade today. DD2103. He did not open any trade today. His last trade was on Friday, 3 days ago. DD21, you see, he didn't open any new trade. So I'm going to look for another trader to copy because this account is $500 on Naga and I need to use the account for copy trading. This guy here is Al-Mazuri. He's still one of the best. I'm going to open up his trade. There's something I need to show you about this particular trader, one of the best traders on Naga or Naga copy trading. If you go to his statistics, you see his curve being excitingly on the upside. If you scroll down, his win rate is 90%, which is very good for copy. If you scroll down, you'll notice his average lots copied with, then profit factor, best ROI per trade, then that's a swing, and auto copiers at all time, average ROI, managed funds, total funds copying the guy, $120,000. Then if you scroll down again, NASDAQ, US 30, AX Gold, and Ethereum, then German 30. These are strong assets. What really interests me, which I want to show you and draw your attention, is the maximum drawdown. Despite all the position he opens, he doesn't expose his account that much. The maximum drawdown he had within 1 month is 2.9. So this is a very, very good risk management. If you look at it over 3 months, the maximum drawdown is 4.6. If you look at it over a year, the maximum drawdown is 4.5. This is telling you, I'm going to compare this with another trader. You will see the implication of what I'm saying. I'm no longer seeing my video. You see the implication of what I mean by maximum drawdown. So please take note of his maximum drawdown. However, he has a loss average per trade of $1,724, and the largest of his losses were $9,000. The largest of his win was $6,000, and an average profit per trade has been $394 on his own account. He has a total of 71 losing trade and a total of 716 winning trades. So majority of his trade are winning trade. So if you copy him long enough, you'll be in profit. There's no two ways about it. Because look at the ratio of his profitable trade compared to his losing trade. So all you need to do is to have a good capital to copy him. Chicken, that is all. And when you are copying him, make sure you use 1%. So you click on auto copy, because he's going to start trading the New York session open now, immediately after now. Reduce this copy ratio to 1% and start auto copy. So I understand, yes. So I'm officially copying Al-Mazuri. So any trade he enters now, my account will take that trade. Mind you, I'm using an account of $500, which is why I use 1%. If I'm using an account of $5,000, highest I will still use is 1%. I will not change my percentage until I use an account above $10,000. Because invariably, this guy is trading with a crazy volume. $158,000. Look at it. P&L is $158,000. Unrealized, okay, realized profit chart. The profit he has made $160,000. Okay, this is profit chart. This is not equity chart, please. It's a profit chart. I'm not sure I have access to see his total deposits. I'm not sure. I'm only seeing his profit. But what I'm saying here invariably is that, look, this guy is progressively on the increase. So, and his risk management is top-notch based off on his maximum drawdown over a month, over 3 months, over a year. So you don't struggle to copy. A majority of the trade he takes are NASDAQ trade. NASDAQ trade operates when New York open, just like right now. So you see a lot of NASDAQ trade open position on his or when he starts trading. So another trader again, which I saw today when I was evaluating, I want to compare what that trader is doing with what this guy is doing. Then I choose another person again. So I'm now copying two people. Maybe I might go and remove one of them. I was going through, then I saw this guy, Trade with Kenya. He's a Nigerian guy here in Lagos. So I opened the profile of this particular trader. He's on Instagram and he's my friend. I saw him here. I was like, wow, his win rate is quite low. But then I was impressed with his statistics, I was impressed with his visibility and today's profits. So he had like a drawdown from zero down to minus $40,000. He picked up again, up back to $18,000. That is, he recovered some money. So from loss of $40,000, he has recovered. Now he has loss of $18,000. That's what it means. His unrealized profit on Naga was previously $40,000. But right now, he has recovered some profits, is now having a loss of $18,000. That's totally on the system. Then if you go down here, you see only one person copying him. Profit factor is 0.9. His own trades, he has a loss, $18,000. Average people copying him with this amount per trade. His best ROI is this. Managed fund is 0. Nobody is copying him right now. The person that copied him has blown his account. There's no any fund under management. Active auto copiers 8. He's currently copying somebody. That's what I mean. That's what this means. Users who have enabled copy trading to this users who have enabled auto copying this user. Okay, 8 people have enabled it. Auto copiers alter number of unique users who created at least one trade with auto copying of this user. Okay, only one person. People enabled it, but only one person created. Here, if you come down here, this is where I want to draw your attention. 61% within 1 month drawdown. And this account is only 1 month old because 61.37, 61.37, 61.37, meaning that the account is just 1 month old. So the drawdown is more than half of the capital. And the number of trade per week is 10.5. So I wanted to compare this performance. It's a big trader, it's a professional trader with the previous performance of the other one I showed you. Now go out of here again. Then compare it with, let me look for another trader I saw this afternoon. I was researching, I was checking out traders. Then I saw a particular trader I said I wanted to show you guys today. It's not this guy. I checked this guy. I think I'm not satisfied with his trade. I saw one other guy, which I want to show you. He also has 100% win rate from the outer. I saw this guy, Flo Ferrell Pro. So I opened his profile. I saw what he was doing. He is a German trader. Then his statistics is cool. Look at his graph. I like the bar chart nature of his graph. On Friday, he was on profits. On Saturday, sorry, that's a Friday. On 8th, he was also in profits. That's today, he's also in profit today. In the morning, he was down, like not as much as $59, but now he's up. So he's using a small account to trade. That's what this means. Look at the P&L. He's using a small account to trade. I like his win rate. It has grown up. Total trade at 98. Total trade he has executed. So he's a new trader. But the way I see his trade is like he's doing good. And I check also his trading assets, what assets he trades. I see he trades exciting assets. NASDAQ is more of a NASDAQ trader. And see he's scalping NASDAQ 0.0.0.0. This tells you that the trader is scalping NASDAQ. That's it. Then if you go back to the statistics again, you scroll down here. And then I want to see that he's trading German 30 and NASDAQ. Then I want to check here his drawdown. 1 month drawdown is 0.01%. 0.01 repeated here, 0.01 repeated here. This simply means that it's a new trader. He's scalping and is new. This trader is new, 78 trade taken so far. How many losing trade? He lose only 2 trades and he win 94 trades. So I've seen what this trader can do. I've seen his win rates. I've seen his number of winning trades. I've seen when he started, it really doesn't matter. His wins are far, far, far more than his losses. I'm just going to go pull the trigger and copy this guy. Who the hell this guy is, I'm going to copy him. I click on auto copy. I don't want to copy this guy like the same thing he's doing. I know he has a small account, but then because I'm copying him for the very first time, 97% win rate is a very good guy, a very good rate. I'm going to start from 1%. When I see he's performing very well, because he has a smaller account, I will increase my percentage ratio higher. The reason why I always leave that percentage ratio lower is because the trader usually have a big account size. And if the trader has a big account size, you can't be copying him back to back the same thing he's doing. You can only copy him lower than what he has. Right now, I'm copying 3 traders. I'm copying this guy, who is not trading today. I'm copying this guy, and I'm copying this Almazori. Now, forgive me for taking out this guy. I need to take out somebody because this account is going to be overloaded. I'm going to take out some people. I'm going to take out this guy. Let me open this guy, settings. How do I do that? I need to open, okay. I need to now remove some people, right? I'm copying 3 guys and this account is very small. So it's going to overload the account. So I don't want to copy 3 guys at the same time because the account is going to be overloaded and I wouldn't want that to happen. Settings. Okay. Okay, under active trade. Sorry. I think I'm excited. Under active trade. Under active trade. So this guy is not trading today. I'm going to suspend him. No, let me not suspend this guy. This guy is going to be more aggressive because of the funds in his account. I'm going to suspend this guy. Auto pause. Yeah. So I have 2 traders I'm copying right now. Only DD213 and this guy. DD is not trading today. This guy has not taken a new trade. So I have 2 of them. Or I can take out DD and add the other 3rd guy. But whichever one. So you can do all of this. Manipulate the system, do your thing. There are several other, okay, this guy is here. There are several other guys you can go and check from the top traders. So many things you can still do on this platform with your $500, with your $1,000. You can do several stuffs. Time for question. I'm done. I'm done with my presentation. My time is up. It's time for me to answer your questions. And it's time for me to invite every one of you to create your account. And it's also time for me to do giveaway. I'm going to be crediting some people's accounts here live today. Our gold position is doing very, very well. Oh my goodness. Now somebody wished I didn't close the position. No, you have to be disciplined. If you don't learn how to close position when the trade doesn't go your way, then you will be a product of hope. You'll be trading based off on hope. I can't find my Telegram. I can't find my Kilo Shele. You better bring my gold positions. Our account is going in a massive, massive profit. Massive one. Massive one. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. So imagine what we traded today from here down to where we are right now. Or even though we closed the trade earlier because of what's happened is not what we want. The trade went our direction and we had 67 pips down our direction, 67 pips. So this break and retest did not happen, so we take it out. So what we got from that New York Open was truly a BPR. So what we got was a BPR. Confirm to remove lock trade. Yep. So what we got was indeed a BPR. Price was dancing around this place, took out liquidity to the downside, went up, took out liquidity to the upside. They gave us a BPR 1 to 3 fair value gap, 1 to 3 fair value gap, and price sank down to earth and put us all in profits. So congratulations to every one of you who took the trade today. We are up again, plus 50 pips on gold, and this is very, very exciting. So if you are here, this is a stop loss. And then no need to change this. Let me just leave it like that so we don't forget what we did. Leave it like that so we don't forget what we did. Anyway, so if you are here, you have a question, this is time for your question. You can bring up your question. Then we answer your question and then we call it a day. Please, if you have not joined our community, the WhatsApp group is here. Please, I need questions. Please, I need questions. I need questions. What happened to GBP USD? Nice trade. Yeah, thank you, Yusuf. We had a very nice trade today. Very, very nice one. We made over $400 on this trade today, right? So we have the WhatsApp group. Join the WhatsApp group right now. Join the WhatsApp group right now. If you are yet to be in the WhatsApp group, join the WhatsApp group so we can give you giveaways. We have giveaway happening right here on this call right now. Giveaways going on right here, right now. I see people join the WhatsApp group, so you have to register. If you join the WhatsApp group, you have to register so you can win giveaway. If you join the WhatsApp group, you have to register so you can win my giveaway right now. We are ending this call in few minutes. In few minutes from now, we are ending this call in few minutes. So if you join our WhatsApp group, I've just dropped a link where you need to register right now. Register right now, right now. While I'm still on this call, click the link and register. Check the group. You'll see the link. Click the link. Register right now. Register right now. If you have small amount of money, fund your account with Cent account. One on equity. He's a crystal trader. Nice. The net is harassing me. Yes, we can hear you. Okay. Everybody is responding very fine. Is there any question we have? We are done with the call. Please join the WhatsApp group, create your account so we can do giveaway right now. Is anybody interested in giveaway? I want to do giveaway. Let me show you guys where I usually do that giveaway from. So you see, I'm done with the trading today. It's time for giveaway. Please, I need question. If you need any question, if you have any question, please ask me a question. Look at where I usually do my giveaway from. Is there anybody with MTN number on this call? Let me test the giveaway so we can confirm.
Yes, I'm with MTN number.
No, I've sent you already. I sent to you, Fidelis, bro. Calm down, bro. I sent you.
Yes.
You did confirm.
Yes.
Yeah. You were asked to fund an account and you are speaking grammar.
Yes,
I gave you an
MTN.
Mohamed Buba won, so I'm going to give to Mohamed Buba. Akinwumi, I asked you to fund an account, $100, and let's connect it. And you are asking me, you are second guessing what I'm asking you to do. I gave you an AI from Canada. I said, fund this account, bro. Let's take 20% profits, just $100. I want to show you what that system is. So you don't have to second guess it. Just give it a trial. Only $100 won't kill you. Fidelis has $1,000 on that system, and he's doing very well. Me, I have $200 on that system, and I'm doing very well. So if I say you put $100, I know you have that $100, and I know your $100 is lying dormant. That's why I say use that system for 3 days. Let's see. I'm not telling you that the system is from heaven. I'm only telling you that we are using the system and it's working very fine. Use it for 3 days. Let's see. So you don't have to second guess what I'm saying. At least I didn't say put $1 million. I said just put only $100 and let's see this AI for 3 days. Let's test it together with you. I am testing it. It's working fine. Fidelis. Please, can you confirm that you are testing the system with $1,000? Can you confirm?
Yes, I am, and it's been good. In fact, I have guys who want to put in more.
When was the last time you logged into your account?
Today, a few hours ago, when I went to claim my daily bonus.
Okay.
Yeah, the daily signing.
Perfect. So Akinwumi, I'm not somebody that's just looking for scam sites or pick anything just like that. if I don't get solid recommendation from top people about anything that I found to be good, I hardly will do it. Yeah. So, and even at that, I'm not advertising it and I'm not inviting anybody. I just wanted you to test it because I know you have $100 that is lying dormant. Otherwise, I wouldn't ask you to put $100 to test an AI system. So in 3 days' time, you are expected to withdraw 20% profits. So I think it's something you should try. And when I saw your message, I just laughed. I said, this guy never know me yet. I think maybe I'll just carry something from Gota and give it to you. So bro, just go ahead and deposit. Once you deposit, call me, then we set it up. When you deposit $100, the 101 actually, call me, we set it up, then we check it for 3 days. I have a balance of 8,000 Naira here. I've done a lot this morning. Your number is not going. Ibrahim Buba, your number is not going. It's not picking up this thing. Let me try one more time.
Well, sir, I did not see any giveaway that you said you sent to my account.
I sent it now. I will confirm it now. You are here now. I will share my confirm it. You see it. I sent it.
I really, my village people need it.
You are the first person.
Wow. Thank you very much, sir, in advance. Peace.
So let's check if your number is here. 08. What's your number?
08064 1865.
Okay. I sent it. 5,000. 5,000.
Wow, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
I sent to quite a number of people.
Senior one. I put my sim. I think I discontinued that sim. However, I'll have to continue it now.
So for Ibrahim Buba, number is correct.
Yeah, number is correct. It's the how much should I do for you?
Sir, anything sir you want, sir. Anything.
I've done $200 for you. Next screenshot. $200 done. $2,000. Mohamed Buba, you have 2,000 Naira. The reason why I gave Mohamed Buba was because yesterday, Mohamed, you called a trade for us. Katina the trade the Kakira Jia. Do you remember? Mohamed Buba. Katina Jia Kakira.
Yes, sir, I remember.
Remember, all that trade from 5 minutes time frame. It was a sell on gold when the market. You remember the trade?
Yes, sir, I remember.
And
network problem.
And I think your background is really noisy, yeah? Why not? Your background, Mohammed, is really noisy.
Yes, sir. Well, as we are having to go,
Mohammed,
I have to attend this.
This is what before yesterday. This particular. Okay, just mute yourself, Mohammed. If your background. Mohammed called this trade last night when we were doing our analysis. Market was here last night, and I envisaged that there were going to be a sweep of liquidity to the upside. No, I wanted a market to sink down to our yellow line, then we enter from down, then we go up. That was what I wanted yesterday from here. Look at my entry from last night. It was here. So I wanted price to drop down to tap our entry at yellow line before we go up. Price opened and dropped down, but it didn't come down to that level. And the reason I wanted it to come down to that level was because I wanted the price to sweep this liquidity. If price sweep this liquidity and enter the yellow line, that is the best place for me to enter a buy on a bigger account with one standard lot. and we'll go all the way up. How many pips did we go when price opened? That was my own analysis yesterday. And I emphasize that when price open and we have a drop down to that level, if we pick from that level, last night's analysis, my screen is just misbehaving. Oh, shit. Wait. This. If we pick from that level, that's 2850.7, 2892.6. How many pips is that? 50.7, 92.6. How many pips? Who can calculate that for us? Calculator. Okay, 92.6.
That's about 41.9 pips.
400 and no, 416.
19. Okay, 416, yeah.
416 from this. That's our TP from yesterday. So while I was doing that analysis, Mohammed Nan told us that yes, it's possible that trade can come down, but if the
look at this child
and did not come, and the trade goes, if the trade goes up into Fibonacci key level, he saw a Fibonacci, is it Fibonacci? Sorry, not Fibonacci. He saw a fair value gap. If the trade go up to fair value gap, that we expect a drop from that fair value gap. And we had that drop, 50 pips drop in exactly from the fair value gap that he noticed. Look at the fair value gap. I drew this fair value gap yesterday. How many of you remember this fair value gap when I drew it yesterday? How many of you? So from this fair value gap, the entry was here down to this level here where the price was ranging. That's where you will get out, where you see price ranging. Ladies and gentlemen, 105 pips. 105 pips movement he predicted. That's why I'm giving him that giveaway. Today, we predicted the price to change structure, and we made 50 pips on gold today. And officially on 15 minutes time frame, we have a bearish push to the downside, but there's no structure yet. We still have a structure that needs to be taken out clearly before we initiate a proper sell position. If anybody have any ulterior decision, or if anybody have any objection about this position, please let me know. We want to see price break to the downside, pull back to this level. Then we sell down to, I'm not sure this guy is going to be strong enough. Yeah, we can stop here. We can stop selling here. So, but this is evening trade, like 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. We want to see price bust down, pull back, then we look for a sell to the downside. And this sell we are looking for is going to be a lower high. This is the highest high. So we need to create another lower high here. Then we drop. So we need to see like order block, fair value gap created here, drop down, close below, pull back, look for a nice entry after pullback, and then we drop down to this down level. That will be 7 p.m., 8 p.m., thereabouts. Anything after 4 p.m. That's when we expect that to happen. So, but based on what we had this morning on 1 minute time frame, our price is going on very, very well. One of my accounts that I left in open position is in a massive profit, massive profit, massive profit. So, so I want to take question. Please, if you have not joined our group, I'm going to do the giveaway from the group. If you have not joined our group, please go ahead and join our group so that we can give you giveaways. May God bless you and continue to give you power. If you have not joined our group, please go ahead and join our group. Go ahead and join our group. If you have not joined our group, please go ahead and join our group so we can carry you along. So if you're not doing anything in our community, I don't think it's okay for me to give you a giveaway. If you are doing something, you created an account, okay, say you're waiting for admin to approve them to join. No, the group is open now. People are joining the group already. I don't know what you say. I don't know what you are saying, bro. The group is open. People are joining. So if you have not joined, please join. And if you are not doing anything, if you are not adding value to the community, you're not creating accounts, you're not depositing, you're not trading, you're not showing us analysis, you're not contributing anything, we will hardly consider you for a giveaway. So go ahead and join the group. The chat box is showing you the link to join the group. If there's any question, please ask your question. My time is up. This is past 3. Question on copy trading, question on sent account, question on the trade we took, question on giveaway. Whatever question you have, please, you can ask your question right now. It's time for Q&A. Our time is up. Today, we ended the trade with over 50 pips selling gold. Live, small time frame, 1 minute. Break of structure, pullback, order block. That was all we used. And we marked order block and say if price close above it, we'll stop trading. And price close above it, we stop trading. Then we now say, okay, if price pull back to order block, we'll start closing our position. Price pull back, we started closing our position. But we now noticed that price formed a BPR, meaning that that break was a fake break. And that BPR went down. So it was a sweep of liquidity and the price came down and put all of us in profits. So patience is very key. Understanding what you are doing, knowing what you are doing, mastering how to scalp is key. Martingale is also important because we didn't enter once. We entered again. When it went to the order block, we loaded the entry. We made $400 on one of the accounts. $400 on one of the accounts. So if you have any question, please go ahead and ask us your question so we can go ahead. Please make sure you join the group, create your account. If you don't have money, I said, always use sent account. One Equity is a broker that gives you sent account. You can trade gold with it. So if you don't have money, use sent account, One Equity. If you have enough money, use Naga, $500, $1,000, $10,000, $5,000. Use the copy trade. I show you how to evaluate traders. Check their drawdown, check their maximum drawdown, check their number of trades, compare it with their losing trade, check their close position. Then check the assets they are trading. Then start with 1%. You can copy 2 or 3 traders if your capital is big, depending on how many trades the traders execute. If a trader doesn't take so many trades, then you have to pair him up with 2 other traders to copy into your account. So you are relaxing while you are taking advantage of a trader. Now, I wanted to also share a testimony. I don't want to talk about it. I just want to show it so that you people see it. Because so many times when we talk about it, some people think maybe we are just giving you a sweet talk. Anytime you create an account with a broker, either for the purpose of a challenge or for the purpose of investment, copy trading, whatever it is, make sure you request for, see that account is a massive profit, you see? You see that account is a massive profit, you see? You see where we entered from? You see? So stop loss now brought back into entry. You see we are dropping mass. Stop loss is now protected back into entry. It's dropping massively, massively, massively. Let me see if the second account still have open position. No. Okay, I wanted to show you something here. I wanted to show you today. Today, I withdraw $78 from this account. Can you see my screen? Can anybody see my screen?
Yes, sir.
So I withdraw $78 from this account today. And after I withdraw this money, last night, yesterday, Sunday, this morning when I woke up, the account was zero, but I now saw the account now $36 this morning. So every day I make between $30 to $50 every day on this account. If you look carefully, you will not see any trade. There's no open position. What do you see? What do you see?
Daily agent commission.
I don't trade on this account. I stopped trading on this account 4 years ago. I stopped trading on this account for, it's not like as if I cannot trade though. Let me show you. Let me take a trade now so you see. Step index. I'm inside a trade right now. I'm in profit on that trade, 20 cents, 30 cents. I trade in profits. So I go now from 36 right now, I'm made now in $37. I took a trade just now of 40 cents. So I can actually trade anything I want to trade here. All the pairs are here. But I no longer trade with this account because that business, for me, the business is over. The business is over. But during the days while I was working and building business here, I was sharing my link. If time permits me, I will show you. I shared my link on this broker to 350 people. I use Instagram and Facebook. I don't have to know these people. Discuss with them, make friends with them, share my link to them. Discuss with traders, make friends with them, share my link to them. Go to an event, make friends with trader, share my link with them. Well, there are many ways we can do to get people to sign up. One of them can be giveaway. Another one can be relationship. Another one can be offer for signal. Another one can be one thing or the other. By sharing my link, I make between $30 to $50 every day. Every day, every day, every day on that account. Naga, I just started Naga 3rd of January. On Naga, I think I have about 80 people that are registered with my link, 80. So I get between $20 to $40 every day on Naga. Rebates, commission only. So I don't really have to trade on Naga before I make money. So why am I telling you all this? I'm telling you that you are leaving some money on the table. You are leaving money on the table. Every Friday, the director of Naga comes online on a webinar. Go and join Naga Telegram. If you go to the Naga back office, you will see their Telegram group there. Go and join Naga Telegram. Go and search for Telegram on Naga and join. They have a webinar they host every Friday by 7 p.m. The director comes and talk about the broker, the activities, their copy trading, question and answer. So you get to learn more insights. You get to build relationship with them. So when you say you want to become a partner, they will give you a very good partnership deal. So you begin to share your link from day one. Day one, you start sharing your link, create a Telegram channel, create a WhatsApp channel, create a WhatsApp group, run ads on TikTok, make new friends in a trading community, give out signal to traders, give training to traders, give education to traders. Some of you are waiting to become masters before you start teaching. No. Start teaching somebody how to install MT5 on their phone and how to log in. That's enough training. Start teaching people how to copy a signal and place a trade and open a position. That's enough training. Do a full TikTok video on how to open a position. And people will be joining you from Singapore, from South Africa, from Kenya, from North America, and they are using your link to sign up. And you are making crazy money. If you go and click on my link on bio on my Telegram, I have like 3 Telegram. All of them, they have a link tree that have different link, Naga link, XNES link, One Equity link, my WhatsApp link, my channel link, my Telegram link. And while I'm here doing what I'm doing, that is active. People are going through those videos, going through those stuffs. You are making money. You are making money. Making money. One of my friends by the name Hisense is the owner of Trading Cartel. Look at his page, 20,570. He built this page in 2 years. He sent me about 6 different messages listening to what he was telling me, how he was able to build this. Most people you see here, they are people from different countries, mostly North America and Northeast Asia. And he's making crazy, crazy money. Look at his trade. Because he can afford to open any position he likes. He opened a buy in gold today. He opened another buy here. He opened another buy here. Look at what he's doing. And look at this lot size, 0.18, a dollar account. Look at it, US, XAUSDZ. It's a dollar account. So somebody open this position, this 1 minute time frame. You open this position, and it's this way in profits. What do you think that person will be making? Then apart from this, what about his own rebates? Look at his position. That same trade we took, look at it. Look at the position. Look at it. Look at stacking of positions. 0.11, 0.11, and look at the movement. Now, if you are using only your capital to trade, you'll be scared to open position like this. But if you have rebates, I tell you, you'll not be scared to open position like this. Then you will make crazy money in profits. Now, let me shock you. His rebate in 1 day is over $1,000. Yes, Hisense is my boy. But he identified this international market, North American market, and what was it again? North American market and Southeast Asian markets. They have crazy traders there. Every blessed day, he makes over $1,000. Go and do a research about him. Go and search on Trading Cartel on Telegram. Let me show you his face. You will see him on Wednesday. He's going to come and trade NFP with us, CPI with us. This guy make over $1,000 every blessed day on rebates. So why would you sit down and be crying that you don't have money? Why? He gives value in exchange for, look at his NFP setup. He gives value in exchange for people to use this link. Look at his last post in the group. He posted his link. So despite all the money he's making, why is he still posting his link? Because this link is very, very important. So I was talking to you one of those days about a system we are currently using. This morning, what gave me the guts want to sell gold is because I saw on one of our trading floor in America that they called a pullback on gold. They have scanned the market long enough after the London Open, and they called for a pullback on gold. When I saw that, this one is, no, it's an old position. Let me show you where I saw that thing. The channel that I paid for, and look at it. They called for a pullback on gold today. They used a sell limit. It didn't work. It is by this that I know that we are going down. This is one of my confirmation. There's also another sell limit that was called here, and we had, yeah, look at it. It's a sell limit that was called here. This is also today. Look at it. 790 people have seen this. So look at it. Even me now, I just hit a like. So there's a sell order here on FX Delta. This is a trading room we have in South Africa. 11,207 people are here. This is not the only room they have. There are other rooms that I need to show you. FX Insider. This one is for new indicator versus Marvin indicator. Okay, they are showing us an indicator for today. This is today's post too. Here we have 2,755 people. Traders, all traders here. These traders are from different parts of the country, especially Southeast Asia. Look at them. Live trading with these guys every day. This is our own live trading we are doing is just for 21 days. But here, this same hub, one hub is the owner of all these channels. Crypto. Let me show you one of their trading room. FX Antenna. Be looking at the logo. It's the same. Today they called for a warning and they called for GBP NZD on a sale and they gave us the parameters. So it's now left for me to go and check the parameters and see if I have a sell on GBP NZD, and I'll join the position TP1 to TP3. Then this we have 10,843 members. Look at what is happening in the channel. Look at it. CPI, FOMC, and FX Antenna News. FX Atlas is another room that we also have. Today, they called out for a trade on AUD card, and it's a swing position. So it's not left for me to go and check. Look at 549 traders have already seen this position and engaging. Nobody has actually engaged from the way I see, but then it's a swing position AUD card. I can go and analyze it and take a position in it. FX Atlas. If you go down here, okay, that's all. That's all. Then we have Crypto One. Crypto One is for crypto, but there's no analysis, and which is why you see I'm no longer paying attention to futures trading, because I'm not seeing so many biases on futures right now. So I'm just waiting. Crypto 4, also there is no really analysis right here. FX Zeta, 31 January, nothing here. Alert Stone. The Alert Stone is the one that gives us room to enter FX Insider, FX Antenna, FX Atlas, FX Zeta, FX Delta, then Binary Pro Alpha. If you like to trade binary options, then we have Bootcamp, live session, Bootcamp, Elite Advantage. It's a live trading session, then announcement room, then performance. Performance of these trade ideas. In January, the performance of this trade idea, the FS Atlas had 1,700 pips. With total trade, 1. Profitable trade, 1. The highest number of pips was generated by FX Insider. 19 total trades, 16 winning trade. They only lost 2 trades. So when they give their call and when their call completes, that's the number of pips generated, followed by FX Antenna, then FX Delta. All these are under Forex. There is for binary, there is for Alpha Trader, there is for Equity Prime, options, portfolio, Crypto One, Omega, Alpha, Crypto Talk, crypto, bonds, and stocks. So that's the result for January. So February is on. The result for December is crazy. The result for November is also crazy. The result for October, the result for September, you can backdate this result back. It's not something that started yesterday. So it's a tool that I was talking about. I said people need tools to support their trading ideas, tools to support your trading decisions, tools to support your trading journey, not just trading on your own, not just doing anything you want to do. Work together with a family, with a group of people. It's expensive to join that community. It's $550 every month, but we crashed the price down to $155 every month. So I think some of you should just pick it up, buy it, and you can retail the signals. You can create a community, you pick signal from there, you sell it to your community for free in exchange for your community to sign up under your link. Because you can't tell traders to sign up under your link if you're not giving them a free thing, or if you're not giving them value. So that place might be your wholesale data center where you get information, signals, setups, and trade ideas. Then you create your own new Telegram or your own new WhatsApp group where you are feeding them with free signal on the condition that they register with your link. Then you run an ad on TikTok or you run an ad on Instagram to gather people for free signal and free trade setup with a very high win rate. And people gather and come, and you are picking signal every day, sending to them for free on the condition that they register with your link. If you do this for 90 days, your rebate level will go higher without you even trading. So I think I've been able to share a lot of value, and my time is up. If you understand what I've said and if it makes sense to you, please put sense. If what I've said makes sense to you, please type sense. This thing about rebates, I talked to you about rebates, and I gave you an idea on how to generate rebates. You cannot generate rebates if you are not giving value. You know the amount of energy it takes me to be here for 21 days every day to talk to you, to give you a live trade, to call a position. It's not easy. So I'm giving you value, and in exchange for value, all of you trading under my link, the broker is paying me every blessed day for life. pay me every blessed day. So if I ask you to pay me, it might be difficult for you, but now you are trading on your own account, either by copy trading or by yourself. So as you are opening those positions, anytime you close the position, the broker pays me $10 per standard lot. So I will not hide that $10 and ask you to keep trading. I want you to also get that $10 too. And I show you how you can do it. You may not be able to host a live trading like I do, but you can be able to run a signal channel. It's simple. Have a source where you can get genuine signal by paying monthly. Then run an ad, invite people for free signal. Ask them to use your link. Give them free signal for 1 month. The following month, when they see how that signal is working, they can pay $10 for the signal. You use their money to pay your subscription. Then you are selling free signal to people. So if it's me and you say you are giving me free signal, I will buy you. And if I see the signal is going, I will be coming to that your channel to collect that free signal. People to buy signal will never finish. People will keep buying signal every day. Maybe if I have enough time, I will show you. Kojo FX in Ghana just increased its signal fee from $50 to $100, and people are paying. Kene FX, the one that has that drawdown I was showing you, his signal is his VIP signal is 250,000. Hisense, my friend that I told you in XNext that's making over $1,000 daily, his signal is $150. Most of these guys do not generate the signal by themselves. They don't have time. They are all over social media doing paparazzi. So what time do they have to sit down generating and following those signals? No, they don't have time. They just do more of marketing. They understand the system already. So they just buy from wholesale, distribute to you. So if they see the signal through their secretary they distribute, they will also pick the signal and place on their own account. They don't have time to be spending and be wasting and be doing a lot of hard work. They automate themselves. And at the end of the month, they are cashing out waiting no good. So please, every single one of you, don't sleep on this information. Live trading is good, rebate is better. Number of people active in the retail forex space is 20 million. I repeat, total number of traders currently active in the retail forex space is 20 million. Total number of people in the whole world is 8 billion. So you will never run, what I'm simply saying is that you will never run out of people to sell signal to. You will never run out of people to educate about forex. You never run out of people to register under your link. That's what I'm simply saying. The retail market is not yet saturated. You can get a large chunk of it in Uzbekistan or Malaysia. You must not focus in Nigeria. You can create a new TikTok account with another different country and focus on another country where they still have growing technology and start from there. So please, let us explore all of these options. Chat with Michael Udall, the director for Naga. Tell him that James told you about all of these opportunities. Tell him you want to become a partner of Naga. Let him create a special partnership link for you. There is a link that is in the back office. That one is just a normal refer a friend. There is a partnership link, a partnership portal where you can intentionally build a business. So if you tell him, he will request for your email. Once you send your email, he will set up a partnership portal and give you that special link. That's that link now you use to build your business. You can track your business progress on a separate Naga platform. The same thing, if you want to become an affiliate on One Equity, the reason One Equity is good is because not all traders can fund $100,000. Not all traders can fund $500. So many people cannot fund more than $100. If you tell them to go ahead and fund $100 on a regular broker, in less than 1 week or two, they'll blow the account. So you have people who funded accounts, and after some weeks, they blow the account. So you end up having so many people under your link, but they don't have money in their account because they blow the money. So you don't want people's funds to be blown. You want them to be actively engaging over a long period of time so that they can establish knowledge in trading over time. That is why you don't want them to use a dollar account. That is why you want them to use a cent account. It takes a long time before they blow the account. The process of taking that long time gives them establishment of knowledge. Even when they blow the account 3 months later, 4 months later, they will be willing to fund it again to trade. So you want to use one equity because of the cent account nature of one equity. Those having smaller account, $25 can trade, $50 can trade, $100 can trade. $100 is equivalent to 10,000 cents. It's not easy to blow it. 0.01, you will trade for more than 4 months. You have not blown the account, even if you are a non-entity. As far as opening position is concerned, just be closing your eye, entering buy, sell. You take you 4 months, you have not blown that account. $100 account. But if you put the account in dollar and not in cents, it takes you less than 3 seconds. The account is gone to zero. So which is why I invite people to use on equity. Somebody type on equity. Type on equity. That's where we are ending today. My time is up. 28 minutes past 3. Somebody type on equity. That's the name of the broker. They have cent account, MT5. I want every one of you to create that account. Even those that have dollar account, I admonish you, I challenge you, and I expect you to create a cent account. When I was trading today, you saw me opening several positions. Do you think I have money enough in dollars to be opening that position? No, but I love the position. So my cent account enable me to take those positions. So I'm happy that I took all those positions. And that account was a very tiny little account of $20 or $10. But yet I could engage the market because I was using a cent account. So I was able to also demonstrate my skill because I took the trade. It was real to you guys because it was a live account. It was a live market. And the money is withdrawable. Even if it's not much, it doesn't really matter. So any day I'm having enough capital, I can do the same thing. The market does not change. I can do the same thing. So cent account is very, very important for your journey in this industry. Make sure you fund it as a professional trader. Make sure you fund it as a new trader. We cannot underemphasize or overemphasize the importance of a cent account. In the absence of any other question, ladies and gentlemen, we have had a nice outing and a nice way to start the week. Gold gave us a very, very good entry to the downside. I want to thank all our partners, Naga. I want to thank all our partners. What the name of the other guys again? On Equity. I want to thank all our partners. I want to thank all our partners. What their name again? iGenius, 7-Figure Boss. Every single one of you on this call, I want to thank you for being on this call. So we'll come back again tomorrow, 1:30. Giveaway continues. I just need to be impressed. I need to see you doing something that impresses me, that will increase marketing, and then I'll do the giveaway. It's not like I don't know what to do with this money and just sharing it. No. I'm not sharing free money. I'm giving money to people who are responsible in the community. People who are like encouraging me. Do something exciting. Deposit. Let me see you depositing. Or let me see you registering people, or let me see you doing analysis. Do something that will be community engaging. Then I will luckily find you worthy for giveaway. And if you think the giveaway is small, don't worry yourself. Wait until when I start doing giveaway of $100,000. That's when you know that now from sleep they take practice debt. So ladies and gentlemen, our time is up. Thank you so much for yours. See you again tomorrow, 1:30. Let's make money. Connect your copy trading account. Research more traders. Follow traders that suit your account size and manage your risks. Make sure you are making money. Expand your affiliates and make sure you are making progress. Thank you so much.